San Gabriel. This is your Mayor, Denise Menchaca. Before we get started with our weekly health update, I want to address the resolution approved unanimously by the City Council in response to the homicide of George Floyd. The resolution is an attempt to capture the sentiments in our community and show the Council's commitment to peaceful protest and policy review. It's a start for meaningful conversations with Council, City staff, including the Police Department and the community. With the passing of the resolution on June 9th, 2020, the City Council is reaffirming the City's commitment towards eliminating racism and discrimination. The resolution in part reads, "The City of San Gabriel hereby commits to an ongoing process of self-reflection, examination, active listening, and engagement with the community to review our current policies and practices, including policies and practices within the San Gabriel Police Department, to ensure the fair, even, and equal administration and enforcement of its laws, to eliminate racism and discrimination based on race, color, ethnicity, ancestry, national origin, or other protected status in the City of San Gabriel's policies and practices, to hold the entire organization accountable to these standards, and to adopt reforms necessary to do so." We know this is a difficult time for our community and our country, and we'll do our best to listen to the needs of our residents to address racism and discrimination. Health update. As of June 26, Los Angeles County has 91,467 cases of COVID-19, with 214 confirmed in San Gabriel. This includes 55 cases at the Royal Vista Care Center and 5 cases at the Ivy Creek Healthcare and Wellness Center. This week, I'm sad to report that we now have a total of 21 confirmed deaths in our community as a result of COVID-19. Our hearts and our deepest sympathies go to those who have been impacted by the virus. Last week, the state of California began requiring the use of face coverings in public spaces. Face coverings are now required in indoor public spaces and for those who are using healthcare services, public transportation, or ride-sharing services. This includes lines or queues to utilize public services. Face coverings are also required for those engaged in work that involves any interactions with members of the public and in outdoor locations when maintaining a physical distance of 6 feet is not always possible. We know wearing a mask can be difficult, but masks are essential at preventing the spread of infected droplets that may be produced while talking, coughing, and sneezing. It's important to remember that even asymptomatic or pre-symptomatic individuals can spread COVID-19, so wear a mask and avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. For more information about the state's new mask policy, please visit covid19.ca.gov. Updates on city services, local, state, and federal resources. At the city level, as we approach 4th of July, please note that fireworks, including those that are deemed safe and sane, are illegal within our city limits. The San Gabriel Police Department will increase patrols in areas where fireworks are reported, and the San Gabriel Fire Department will investigate complaints through its fire prevention and arson investigation teams. If you see illegal fireworks, please report your sighting to the San Gabriel Police Department at 626-308-2828 or the San Gabriel Fire Department at 626-308-2880. We hope you have a safe and healthy 4th of July. Community kindness. In our latest installment of our Community Kindness campaign, I wanted to highlight several San Gabriel kids who gathered some resources together to create several care packages for senior citizens living in a local senior care facility. As you can see from the pictures, they wrote notes of encouragement and drew special photos for each recipient. A special thank you to everyone involved for taking the time to think about our seniors during this difficult time. That concludes this week's video update. Thank you to everyone who continues to act responsibly by wearing face masks and adhering to health guidelines. Stay healthy, stay positive, San Gabriel.